Are you ready to ride the next big wave in crypto? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the latest trend that's shaking up the markets. Hey Quantum Cacti! Welcome back to Quantum Cactus, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Injective Ecosystem Airdrops. If you're into finance and tech and love staying ahead in the crypto game, this video is tailor-made for you. So let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly summarize what Injective Ecosystem is all about. It's a blazing fast Layer 1 blockchain, revolutionizing the future of finance with its Web3 applications. From creating cutting-edge financial apps to pioneering interoperability and offering formidable security, Injective is all about empowering you with auto-executing smart contracts for groundbreaking applications. It's a hub for developers, validators, and institutions, offering a range of dApps from exotic markets to asset management and NFT marketplaces. Now, let's see how we can leverage this ecosystem for airdrops. The first step is to download a wallet compatible with the Injective network. We recommend Kepler, a community favorite. Installation is a breeze. Just hit the install button, select your browser, and you're set to create your new wallet. Now, to get those precious Injective tokens into our wallet, we've got two options. Use the official bridge or transfer them from a centralized exchange. Once our wallet is loaded with tokens, it's time to start farming airdrops from various projects. But hey, before we dive into the farming strategies, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Quantum Cactus. Stay updated with the latest in crypto and be part of our growing community of Quantum Cacti. Now, back to airdrop farming. The primary method is staking in the Injective Hub. This is your golden ticket to qualify for these airdrops. Let's kick off with Black Panther. They're all about helping you achieve superior returns. To qualify for their airdrop, stake your Injective tokens through the Black Panther validator. Just head to the staking tab, find Black Panther, decide your deposit amount, and you're in. Remember, staking locks your tokens for 21 days, and switching validators resets this period. By investing in their vaults, you also qualify for the airdrop. But remember, higher returns come with higher risks. Next up is Talis, the buzzing NFT marketplace. To snag their airdrop, trade NFTs on their platform or stake in their validator via the Injective Hub. Follow the same steps as with Black Panther, and you're set. Our third project is Hydro Protocol. This platform allows for liquid staking of Injective tokens to mine HINJ tokens, which can be used in other protocols for extra yield. They've confirmed an airdrop for anyone staking in any validator, so if you've followed our steps so far, you're already qualifying. But wait, there's more. We're also targeting airdrops from Helix and Gryphon. Helix, the largest decentralized exchange in the Injective ecosystem, offers a point system where you qualify by making swaps and adding liquidity with grid trading bots. Set up your bot in automatic or manual mode, and you're good to go. Lastly, we have Gryphon. This new liquid staking project is just getting started, but they've already confirmed an airdrop. To get in on this, you'll need a special code. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check the description below for a code. If it's no longer valid, no sweat. Just do a quick search on Twitter or hop into the project's Discord and you'll find what you need. Once you have the code, simply stake an Injective token to start qualifying on their leaderboard and earn those sweet rewards. And that's a wrap, Quantum Cacti. You're now equipped to make the most out of Injective Ecosystem airdrops. Remember, the crypto world is fast-paced and ever-changing, so stay informed and make smart moves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning, and stay sharp in the world of crypto. Quantum Cactus, signing off.